At Watts Water Technologies, we believe a safe world is a more sustainable world. Our solutions are designed to safely deliver water to homes and businesses as responsibly as possible. Today, sustainability is embedded in every level of our business. We are dedicated to creating solutions that not only ensure the safe and proper management of water, but also reduce the impact on the environment. Watts is committed to understanding and reducing the total impact our products have on the environment through conducting life cycle assessments, and we demonstrate our commitment to product transparency by sharing environmental information about our products through environmental product declarations. We are focused on 3 key areas we refer to as the triple play of sustainability: safety and regulation, energy efficiency, and water conservation. Solutions such as pressure-reducing valves that save billions of gallons of water a year globally, touchless faucets that reduce water waste, high-efficiency boilers and water heaters that dramatically reduce carbon dioxide emissions, and filtration systems that remove contaminants from drinking water are just a few of the solutions Watts offers. Locally and globally, we're reducing our water, waste, and carbon footprint and empowering our employees to get involved. Collectively, we're making great strides in our water and energy reduction goals. And Watts Water Stewardship performance has been independently verified under the Water Council's WAVE Verified Water Stewardship Program. Our social responsibility initiatives make our communities safer, healthier, and stronger. Watts employees are encouraged to share their voice and are supported in volunteer efforts in places they live and work through the Watts Cares program. As a company, we champion projects to bring clean water to the developing world. We actively seek to prevent and mitigate the social and environmental impacts in our supply chain and commit to protecting and promoting human rights through our human rights policy. Watts has been named one of America's greenest companies and one of America's most responsible companies by Newsweek. And USA Today has named Watts one of America's climate leaders. Our planet, our home. One world connected by precious water, protected by Watts.